Russia has announced that it will not comply with a European Court of Human Rights, ECHR, ruling ordering Moscow to pay $253 million, $292 million to Georgia for violations committed after the 2008 Russo-Georgian War. At a Kremlin briefing, spokesman Dmitry Peskov stated,
"We will not comply with the decision."
When asked whether a hypothetical payment could help improve relations with Georgia, Peskov added,
"We believe this is a separate topic, a separate matter."
The Strasbourg-based court found that Russia had violated the rights of residents in Georgia's breakaway regions of Abkhazia and South Ossetia. Reported violations included excessive use of force, ill treatment, unlawful detention, and unlawful restrictions on day-to-day movement across the administrative boundary line between Georgian-controlled territory and the Russian-backed regions. The court ordered Moscow to compensate nearly 30,000 victims for the harm suffered and noted that it would be up to the Georgian government to establish an effective mechanism to distribute the funds within 18 months if Russia complies. Although Russia quit the Council of Europe in September 2022, the ECHR maintained that Moscow remains liable for violations committed while it was still a member. The country has a history of defying ECHR rulings, even when it was fully part of the Council of Europe. Only a handful of nations recognize Abkhazia and South Ossetia as independent, while the wider international community and Georgia continue to regard them as Georgian territory. Georgian authorities report that people have been killed while trying to enter or leave these regions, while others have been detained or ill-treated for illegally crossing administrative boundaries. The court highlighted the scale of the violations.
The incidents alleged were not isolated and were sufficiently numerous and interconnected to amount to a pattern or system of violations.
Moscow's refusal to comply underscores the growing legal and diplomatic gap between Russia and European human rights institutions, reinforcing a long-standing standoff over accountability for the 2008 conflict.